Hello, English learners, and welcome to Learn English Online. I am Liam.
And I am Luna.
Okay, so get this. You know that feeling, right? You walk into a coffee shop in maybe London or New York. That amazing smell hits you.
Oh yeah, the best.
Totally. And you see all the cakes and pastries, and then boom,
Yeah.
you're at the counter, menu, barista waiting,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe you feel a bit, I don't know, nervous.
Mm-hmm.
Or you just freeze, thinking, am I going to mess this up?
It happens to a lot of people.
Right. Well, today we're doing a deep dive into mastering exactly that situation. This isn't just like memorizing phrases.
No, not at all.
It's about understanding the whole interaction, the little polite things, the shortcuts people use, the cultural bits that make ordering coffee feel, well, easy.
Confident. Exactly. Consider this your essential survival English. You'll use this stuff constantly.
For sure.
And that's our mission today. We want to give you the words yes, but also that confidence to, handle any coffee shop chat smoothly.
Wait.
So we'll break down the key phrases, look at different ways to say things, understand those common questions the barista asks.
Like for here or to go, that
Yeah.
one always comes up.
Always. And we'll even tackle some tricky pronunciation points that sometimes catch learners out step by step. We want you to get why we say things this way, not just what to say.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, so let's jump right in. First things first, telling them what you want. Politeness and clarity, they're really key here.
Definitely.
We've got a few great phrases that sort of frame your request politely. The most common ones you'll hear are I'd like, could I get, and maybe can I have.
Okay, three main options.
Yeah. And there are subtle differences, in how polite they sound. I'd like is probably the safest bet.
Why is that?
Well, I'd like is short for I would like. That would makes it conditional, softer. It's not a demand. It's expressing what you wish for.
Ah, okay. Less direct.
Exactly. It shows respect for the barista's job, so it's often seen as the most polite. You'd say, I'd like a small latte, please.
Very standard, very good. Right. And it feels polite, doesn't it? Like you're acknowledging they're doing something for you.
Precisely. Then you have, could I get? Which is also very polite.
Good.
Yeah, could. It's a modal verb, and here it's asking about possibility, but in a really deferential way, almost like asking, is it possible for me to have this?
So maybe, could I get a medium Americano?
Perfect example. Still super polite, maybe a tiny bit more direct than I'd like, but definitely courteous.
Got it. And the third one, can I have?
Right. Can I have? Now, this one's common. You'll hear it a lot, especially maybe in North America.
Right.
But can is more about ability or permission. So technically, you're asking, am I allowed to have this?
Which sounds a bit strange if you think about it too much.
It does a little,
Hmm.
but it's totally accepted in casual chat. You might hear, can I have a large iced tea? But yeah, generally seen as slightly less formal than the others.
So bottom line, if you're unsure, I'd like is
Right.
probably the go-to.
I'd say so. It's universally polite and works everywhere.
Okay, great foundations. But
Yeah.
what about when it's really busy or you just want to be quick?
Ah, good point. Real world efficiency kicks in, right?
Yeah.
People definitely shorten things a lot. You might just hear someone walk up and say, a small latte, please.
Just the order and please.
Exactly. Or even faster, hi, small latte, please. Context makes it totally clear what you're doing.
As long as you remember the please.
Oh, always. That little word does a lot of heavy lifting in politeness.
So true. So you could practice all three formal ways. I'd like a small latte, please.
Yeah.
Could I get a medium Americano, please?
Mhm.
Could I have a large iced tea, please?
Hmm.
And try the super quick version, small latte, please.
Perfect. Get comfortable with both the polite frames and the quick real world versions.
Okay, so I've ordered my drink. What's next? Usually a question from them, right?
Almost always. And it's usually that crucial one. For here or to go?
Right. What does that actually mean?
It's simple, really. They're asking, are you planning to drink it inside the coffee shop? Like, sit down at a table? That's for here.
Okay. Or are you taking it away with you out the door?
Yes.
To go.
Gotcha. Helps them choose the right cup, too. Mug or paper cup.
Exactly. A ceramic mug for here, usually, and a disposable one for to go. It's just about logistics for them.
And the answer is super simple, too. Right?
Couldn't be easier. If you're staying, just say for here.
Here.
If you're leaving, to
To
go.
go. Easy peasy.
And people often add a please or thank you, like to go please or for here, thanks.
Mm.
Just keeps that politeness flowing.
Nice. Okay, so I've got my drinks sorted, staying or going. But wait, those cookies look really good.
Uh-huh. It always happens, doesn't it? The pastries call to you.
Totally. I remember this one time, stressful morning, just need caffeine, and then I saw this massive chocolate cookie. Seriously, it made my whole day better. Does that ever happen to you? That urge to add just one more thing.
Oh, absolutely. It's probably the most common thing after ordering the drink itself.
So how do you do that smoothly? Add something on. It's really easy. You can just continue the pattern you started. So if you said, I'd like a latte, you can just add, and I'd like a chocolate cookie. Keeps that nice polite frame.
Okay, makes sense.
And I'd like. Or if you're speaking a bit quicker or just more casually, you can simply use and a.
Shorter.
Yeah. Like, and a blueberry muffin. Or, and a cheese sandwich. Just and a plus the item.
Nice and concise.
You could even add details. And a chocolate cookie. Could you warm it up, please? See how you can layer requests.
Cool. So drink for here to go. Maybe add a snack. What's next?
Well, the barista usually wants to make sure you're completely finished, so they'll often ask anything else.
Yes, the confirmation question.
Exactly. It's their way of saying, is that the whole order? Very common in any kind of service.
And how should I answer that?
The standard polite way is just, that's all, thanks.
Simple. That's all, thanks.
Lets them know you're done. Now, pronunciation-wise, listen for how anything else often blends together.
Oh yeah, how so?
It often sounds like Sophie L's. The G at the end of anything almost disappears or links into the E of else. It's called connected speech, sounds merging to flow faster.
Shows HLs.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, so I say, that's all, thanks. But wait, what if I suddenly remember I wanted oat milk? Or my friend texts, get me a muffin too. Can I change my mind?
Oh, absolutely. This happens all the time. It's a perfectly normal, very human.
Phew. Okay, so how do I do that without sounding awkward?
There's a great little word for this. Actually.
Actually!
Starting with actually signals politely, hang on, I need to correct or change something I just said.
Oh, that's useful.
Definitely. So you could say, actually, can you make the latte oat milk? It clearly flags the change.
Okay. Actually, can you make that oat milk?
Or even shorter, more casual, sometimes you hear, make it oat milk. Though the actually version is probably a bit smoother if you're interrupting the flow.
Right, and the barista will just confirm it.
Usually, yeah, they're used to it. They might say, sure, one small oat latte and a chocolate cookie, just to make sure they've got the final order right.
Okay, so actually is like my secret weapon for changes.
Yeah.
Good to know. What if I ordered a large, but then wanted a medium?
Same idea. Actually, could I get a medium instead of the large? That actually works perfectly there, too. It's like a polite reset button.
Love that.
Yeah.
Linguistic reset button. Okay, order placed, snacks added, changes made. Now the important part, paying.
The moment of truth.
How do I ask how much it costs?
The absolute classic universal phrase is, how much is that?
How much is that? Can't go wrong with that one.
Nope, you'll use it everywhere, not just coffee shops, restaurants, taxis, anywhere you pay. Super clear, super common.
Okay, and what will they say back?
They'll give you the total. They might say that'll be $5.80.
$5.80, meaning $5.80.
Yeah.
Or pounds and pence.
Exactly. They often just state the main currency unit amount, then the smaller unit amount. So $5.80 is $5, pounds, and 80 cents pence.
So just listen for the two numbers.
Pretty much. 10.25 is 10.25. They might also say your total is $5.80. Same thing. It's just efficient language.
Right. Okay, I know the total. Now, how do I say how I want to pay? Lots of options these days.
True. You can usually just state your method. I'll pay by card is super common.
Assumed credit or debit, usually.
Yeah. Or if you're old school, do you take cash? Is the question to ask. Always good to check.
Good point. And what about phones or watches?
Also very common now. You can say, I'll use my phone. Or I'll pay with my watch. Perfectly normal.
Cool. I'll pay by card. Do you take cash? I'll use my phone. Got it.
And quick note on I'll pay, that I'll is a contraction of I will.
Right.
But we almost always say it super fast, like one syllable, ale.
Yeah.
Ale.
Not I will.
Exactly. I'll pay. Nice and smooth.
Okay. And then the barista might tell me what to do with the card machine.
Yeah, you might hear, go ahead, insert or tap. Tells you exactly what to do. Or if it's cash, they'll just confirm the amount again while you get your money ready.
Perfect. Okay. Payment done. Coffee acquired. Cookie in hand. Success.
Almost there. But what if you want to stick around for a bit?
Ah, yes. Use their comfy chairs, maybe do some work.
Exactly. Coffee shops are often like a second office or living room for people. That whole third place idea.
True.
Yeah.
So you might need Wi-Fi.
Bingo. Asking for Wi-Fi is super common. It's part of the deal these days in many places.
So how do I ask politely? Can I use that phrase from earlier?
You absolutely can. Perfectly again. Could I get the Wi-Fi password?
Nice. Reinforces that polite structure. Could I get the Wi-Fi password?
And they'll just tell you, maybe something like, sure, it's bean time 2025. Sometimes they write it down or it's on a sign.
Bean time 2025.
Catchy. And they might combine it with an update like, and your order will be ready in 2 minutes. Efficient.
Great. Knowing how to ask for those little extras really makes it feel more comfortable, doesn't it?
It really does. Okay, so we've covered the whole interaction, but let's circle back to pronunciation for a moment. This is really important for sounding clear and natural.
Yeah, those little details can make a big difference in being understood easily.
Exactly. So pay close attention, dear learners. First, could I? We mentioned it
I
connects.
don't say could, I.
Right. It flows together. Kide, like one smooth sound. Practice that. Kide.
Kide. Okay.
Next, latte. Often mispronounced. Stress the first syllable. L-A-H-T. Get that clear ah sound, not ah as in cat.
L-A-H-T. Got it.
Then, for here, again, flow. Don't pause between the words. Pehor, he hor, almost like one word.
Fear. Smooth.
And we talked about anything else, that connected sound.
Yep. Kia kills, the sounds just blend.
Precisely. It's natural efficiency in speech. And finally, I'll pay. Remember?
Short and sweet. Hail. One syllable.
Perfect. Hail. Don't drag it out. Quick. Like the payment.
These are really useful tips. It's often those small connecting sounds or stresses that really change how you sound.
It's true. And mastering them really boosts your confidence because people understand you more easily.
And remember, everyone, practice really is key here. It's okay if it feels awkward at first. Start slow. Say it clearly. Then, once you feel more comfortable, you can try speeding up naturally. Just saying them out loud helps so much. You can do this.
Definitely.
So let's wrap this up. What's the big takeaway, your mini mission for today?
Okay, your actionable takeaway, your challenge is to practice this whole coffee shop sequence actively, like right after this.
Good.
Pick 3 different drinks, maybe an iced coffee, a green tea, an espresso,
Okay.
and 3 different add-ons. A croissant, maybe ask for an extra shot, maybe almond milk.
Good variety.
Now mix and match. Try ordering each combination, and here's the key. Practice each one at 3 speeds.
Slow, normal, and quick.
Exactly. Slow and deliberate first, then normal conversational speed, then try the quick, efficient version, say it all out loud, go through the whole thing ordering, for here to go, adding something, asking for Wi-Fi.
Make a little role play for yourself.
Yeah.
A fun challenge.
That's a brilliant way to really get these patterns into your head and your muscle memory. And remember, dear learners, consistency is everything in language learning.
So true.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Honestly, they're not failures. They're just learning moments, essential steps. Every time you stumble, you learn something.
Absolutely. Keep practicing. Keep trying things out. That confidence will build, and soon ordering coffee will feel like second nature.
You'll be navigating those cafes like a pro, unlocking more and more everyday conversations.
We'll see you next time on Learn English Online. I'm Liam.
And I'm Luna.
And remember, mastering these small everyday conversations isn't just about ordering a coffee, though that's useful. It's really about unlocking a whole new world of connections, understanding culture, and building real confidence in your English. So, what other everyday situations would you like to master next?